One of the most common difficulties associated with alignment is soft foot. This occurs when one of the feet cannot fit snugly against the surface under the unit. This problem can lead to an incorrect alignment. To eliminate the soft foot, you must use the VLSAT soft foot function. In the main menu, tap the horizontal alignment icon. Then select the type of shaft connection: coupling, spacer shaft, or cardan shaft. Then return to the main menu and tap the soft foot icon. Using a measuring tape, measure the dimensions of the unit and enter the obtained values in the fields with a question mark. Loosen all bolts completely. Then tap the soft foot icon next to one of the feet. Make sure the measuring units are at the 12 o'clock position. Tighten the bolt on the selected foot and then loosen it. Click OK and then repeat the procedure on each of the feet. We recommend performing this procedure before aligning to make sure there is no soft foot or to eliminate it.